The cheetah is one of the most extraordinary creatures to grace our planet. Known for their incredible speed, cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour in short bursts covering distances up to 500 meters. However, there is much more to cheetahs than just their speed. Cheetahs belong to the family Felidae and are the only extant members of the genus Acinonyx. Their evolutionary history traces back to approximately 4 million years ago, and they have several extinct relatives that were once spread across Europe, Asia, and North America. Fossil records indicate that the ancestors of modern cheetahs were once widespread, but today's cheetah populations are primarily confined to sub-Saharan Africa, with a small, critically endangered population in Iran. Cheetahs are often mistaken for leopards due to their similar coat patterns, but several key differences set them apart. Unlike leopards, cheetahs have a distinctive black tear mark that runs from the inner corner of each eye down to the sides of their mouth. This feature helps reduce glare from the sun and enhances focus on prey during the chase. Cheetahs possess several unique physical attributes that make them perfectly adapted for speed. Their slender, lightweight bodies are aerodynamically built for quick acceleration. Long legs, an elongated spine, and adapted muscles all contribute to their ability to sprint at remarkable speeds. The cheetah's claws are semi-retractable, providing extra grip during high-speed chases, unlike the fully retractable claws of other cats. Additionally, cheetahs have large nasal passages and lungs, allowing for increased oxygen intake and distribution during their sprinting efforts. Their coat is another distinctive feature, covered in small black spots that help with camouflage in the savanna's tall grasses. The tear marks running from the inner corners of their eyes down to the sides of their mouths are believed to protect against the sun's glare and aid in focusing attention on their prey. Historically, cheetahs roamed across vast ranges in Africa, the Middle East, and even into India. Today, their distribution is primarily restricted to sub-Saharan Africa, with small, isolated populations in Iran. They thrive in various habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and arid regions, where open spaces allow them to use their speed to catch prey. Cheetahs are carnivorous, relying mainly on small to medium-sized ungulates for their diet. Their preferred prey includes gazelles, impalas, and other similar-sized herbivores. Unlike other large cats that rely on strength and stealth to ambush their prey, cheetahs use their exceptional speed and agility to chase down their targets. The hunt begins with a slow, stealthy approach. Cheetahs use cover to get as close as possible to their prey, typically within 100 to 200 meters. Once within range, they burst into a sprint, aiming to knock the prey off balance by striking it with their dew claws. This high-speed chase usually lasts less than a minute, as cheetahs can only maintain their top speeds for short distances. Once the prey is caught, cheetahs use a suffocating bite to the throat to bring it down. Cheetahs often hunt during the cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon, to avoid the heat of midday. After a successful kill, they must eat quickly to avoid scavengers like hyenas and lions, who can easily overpower them and steal their food. Cheetah social structures are relatively unique among large cats. They are typically solitary animals, with males and females only coming together briefly to mate. However, male cheetahs are known to form small groups called coalitions, usually consisting of brothers from the same litter. These coalitions help the males defend territories and increase their chances of reproductive success. Females, on the other hand, are
310-44C0
that often overlap with those of multiple males. They are responsible for raising their cubs alone, teaching them essential survival skills such as hunting and avoiding predators. Cheetah cubs are born blind and helpless, with a soft, grayish coat that provides some camouflage in their early, vulnerable weeks. The mother will move them to new hiding spots frequently to protect them from predators. As the cubs grow, they begin to follow their mother on hunts, learning by observation and practice. By the time they are about 18 months old, they are usually capable of surviving independently. Cheetahs are currently listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, with an estimated population of around 7,000 individuals in the wild. Several factors contribute to their declining numbers, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal wildlife trade. Habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and urban development is one of the most significant threats to cheetah populations. As their natural habitats shrink, cheetahs are forced into closer proximity with human activities, leading to increased conflicts. Farmers and livestock herders often view cheetahs as a threat to their animals and may kill them to protect their livelihoods. Another major threat is the illegal pet trade. Cheetah cubs are often captured and sold as exotic pets, particularly in the Middle East. This practice not only reduces the number of wild cheetahs but also has severe impacts on their populations, as many cubs do not survive the stress and poor conditions of captivity. Conservationists and organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect cheetahs and their habitats. Efforts include establishing and managing protected areas, promoting human-wildlife coexistence, and combating illegal wildlife trade. Protected areas such as national parks and reserves provide safe havens for cheetahs, allowing them to live and hunt without the pressures of human encroachment. In areas where cheetahs and humans must coexist, initiatives like community-based conservation projects aim to reduce conflicts. These projects often involve educating local communities about the benefits of preserving wildlife and implementing measures such as livestock guard dogs and predator-proof enclosures. International organizations like the Cheetah Conservation Fund work to address various aspects of cheetah conservation, from field research and habitat restoration to public education and policy advocacy. Through these combined efforts, there is hope that cheetah populations can stabilize and eventually recover. Cheetahs play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of their prey species, which in turn affects the vegetation and overall health of their habitats. By preying on the weak and sick individuals, cheetahs contribute to the genetic health and vitality of herbivore populations. Moreover, cheetahs' presence can indicate the overall health of the environment. Healthy cheetah populations often signify well-managed ecosystems with sufficient prey and minimal human disturbance. The future of cheetahs hinges on continued conservation efforts and global awareness of their plight. Protecting these magnificent animals requires a multifaceted approach, addressing both immediate threats and long-term sustainability. Increased funding for conservation programs, stronger legal protections, and international cooperation are crucial for the survival of cheetahs. Additionally, fostering a sense of connection and responsibility towards wildlife among people worldwide can drive positive change. Education and outreach play significant roles in conservation, helping to dispel myths and misconceptions about cheetahs and other predators. By understanding the importance of cheetahs in ecosystems and the challenges they face, individuals can make informed choices that support conservation efforts.